everybody, how you doing today? I'm gonna cook something. Yes I am. I got me some handy dandy sausage.
And since he's cooking something, you know it's got to be recorded.
It's got to be recorded. And I've got me some cabbage because the girl requested cabbage. Look, check her out. She's in her pajamas, all right? We've been eating snacks. We ain't working, so we got to do something. She's so leisurely. She's actually working on the computer. You want a sneak peek? Can you believe that stuff? You've seen it right here. But anyway, this is going to be a keto cooking video. We'll just call it a keto cooking video. It was requested by so-and-so at the fuel pump last night. So, hey, let's do it. So-and-so at the fuel pump. He was a rider driver. That's right. And I said, yeah, I'm going to make some keto cooking meals this week. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in this pot right here. That pot right there. And, I mean, this is going to be really quick. I'm going to have to drag this video out. That's how fast it is. So let me get started. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Let me get started. I'll get it started with you, all right? Look, here's how we're going to start it. We're going to cut the end off of this cabbage right here. I guess I should throw this leaf away, but I don't see any reason to. I mean, right? Let's just use them. If I don't waste any cabbage, I can eat twice, right? If I make like 8 of these, there's 3. And these ain't real big cabbage leaves. 4. You know I ain't gonna waste no food. 5. Then I can fry this tomorrow. You want fried cabbage tomorrow?
I love fried cabbage. Walter's laying on my computer.
She likes fried cabbage.
I love it. I didn't say I liked it. I said I loved it.
All right. Now, if y'all ever listen to her moto blogs, and if you're not subscribed to her moto blogs, you should just go on over and subscribe to her moto blogs. Every once in a while, you hear her go, "Excuse me." I don't know why she's going, "Excuse me," because I can't hear her do anything. Maybe she's farting. I don't think so. What do you think, Perry? Perry, you should have some of this here at home. Have Mama make you some. Think he'd like this? Think that's enough?
I don't even know what you're making. I do know that you're getting ready to cut my counter.
I'm going to eat this. I can't help it, guys. I have to eat this part of the cabbage because I love it. And, you know, there was like 19 of us kids when I was little. This was the one thing I could be assured that I would get and nobody would cut into it, was the center of the cabbage.
I think my internet quit working again.
Damn it, girl.
I don't know.
This one's a little bit hard. I'll get back with y'all when the water boils. It ain't gonna boil with y'all watching.
A watched pot never boils.
That's
Grandma
right.
said.
She was right. I've got to show y'all this. This is just terrible. This is what I had to put up with. These dogs that don't act like dogs. They act like her. They just want to lay around. Alright, fellas. You might need a pair of tongs for this. Or you might not. Use dick beaters. I don't care. But these are going to be hot.
Wash them if you use them.
That's right. These, what, these? Your dick beaters. She gets me so confused. What is she doing? Anyway, it's going to be hot, right? But anyway, what we got going on right now is our water is boiling. Y'all want to have a look at the boiling water? I've heard it said that some people cannot boil water. I think that anyone can boil water. But anyway, let's grab these puppies. I don't see no reason to be this isn't my food creation. I stole it off of YouTube, all right? And they put the leaves in here all gentle like. I'm just gonna throw them in there. All right, bam, get done. They shouldn't take them but just a few minutes. I think it's called blanching now. Is that what it's called?
Blanching, yeah. You don't cook them all the way, but you soften them.
Right, we just cooking them up to get soft a little bit. Here, let's make sure they get some hot water all over them. Let's shake it around. And then we'll get back to you in just a minute. I'm going to be putting them in this here thing, whatever it is. What's this thing?
A baking dish.
I'm going to call it a casserole dish, all right? Casserole dish.
Yeah, a bigger one don't fit in our convection oven.
But anyway, I'm gonna fold these up, put them in here, and Then we're gonna cook them in the oven at 350 degrees until I think they're done. I don't know how long I'm supposed to cook them. I might have to Google that. I mean, I don't know, right? It's pork. But hell, while you're sitting around waiting, eat some walnuts. They're superfood. I'll get back with you shortly. All right, guys. It was quick. It was easy. I mean, I didn't even break a sweat. But here's what we got. You see how the cabbage is limp now and leafy? All right. I even washed my hands to do this video, guys. Oh, golly. All right, look. I'm taking the leaf and I'm throwing it over here in the skillet, not in the baking dish, right? And it's hot. So at this point, y'all should probably tell me, don't burn yourself. Eat another walnut. All right.
Don't burn yourself.
All right. Now here's the sausage, right? You know, y'all know I can't do anything right, so I'm just gonna dig the sausage out. That looks like a pretty good amount. Let's use a little more, just for the fun of it. Yeah. All right. Now I put the sausage. Let me turn it down here this way. All right. You want to see what's going on? Hell, I'll bring you over here. All right. Now I got the sausage in here. Stick that back in there. Now you're supposed to. Hell, let's put some more in there. I'm going to be hungry. Let's eat. All right. Now, according to the video, you fold this in and roll these in. Turn it over. Theirs was pretty. Mine's ugly. It's still dinner, right? It don't matter. I just know it's gonna be keto friendly. Let's get a good amount in here. You know the girl's hungry too. She's got that flu thing going on.
OMG.
And you know, they're always hungry when they got the flu. There, don't that look great? Oh, guys, I wish y'all was here for dinner. Well, you kind of are here for dinner, ain't you? Put that in there. I still don't know how long to cook this for, but it's pork, so I know I got to get it to 100 to 80 degrees to kill the nastiness in the pork, right? I don't think the pork has any nastiness much anymore, but every once in a while, you still get some trichinosis or pigalosis or something like that. Let's see how many I got left. 1, 2, 3. I think I got enough to make about 6 of these. There's 4. All right, this is the last one that I'm rolling up. It's gonna be a fatty. We'll reserve the fatty for the girl. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 8. I'm like Jeff Bodine. I can cipher real good. All right. And we're gonna come on, get that in there. Stuff it in there. Stay. All right. Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna wash our hands. You know that's important, right? Gotta get that pork germs off of there. Remember, kids, stay in school and don't do drugs. Now we don't want to leave any soap residue on our fingers either, because that might make us sick too. Can you get poisoned by soap?
I think it gives you
something?
Yeah.
But anyway, now we're gonna go up here to the oven. How do I do this? Power.
No, that's not the oven.
Oh, you come and do it. Show
That's
me.
The microwave.
Make the oven work.
Convection. 350.
Okay.
Oh, I did it wrong.
350 for, let's say,
Convection.
40 minutes or something.
Oh my gosh. I got the book. Let's see.
Oh my goodness, guys, she don't know how to do it. I'm gonna have to put you away for a minute.
There, 350.
350. So say 40 minutes maybe.
Oh, let's start yet. I think you put it in there, and then once it gets up to time, then you start it.
All right.
I'm not completely
Let's
sure
load
these things.
the oven. Here, you put it in the oven. Don't
You
trust
want it
me.
on top, upside, like that?
I don't care how you put it.
Like that. Let's put it a little lower.
I'm okay with that. All right, I know what I'll do. I'll set a timer on my phone. All right, guys. When it's not gonna ding and say it's ready, but I'll know when it's ready, and I'll get back with you then. Now, for all you guys that are at home cooking this up for your sweetie, or whatever you want to call her for the day, she might have pet names that we don't know about. Anyway, you should do the dishes, because what's the best way to get to a woman's heart? Do the dishes, and do them wrong. All right, always do the dishes wrong. I always do them wrong, but I try. See, didn't I do a good job there? Hell.
Look at all the water he's using from our little water tank.
But
see, he's just trying to waste the water.
I can fill up water right here, so it's okay if I waste water today. Anyway, I'll get back to that. I'm using soap though. You should just be happy. Normally, I wouldn't even want to use soap. It's just true. I have some weirdness, right? It's like people say, "Oh, this is out of date." No, it ain't. It could be 10 years old. If the can ain't swelled, it's still good. A little food poisoning might kill you. Then again, it might not. Oh yeah. See, it's clean enough for me. I'm gonna reuse these. I washed that. So you all cannot say that I don't do dishes. All right, she might say it. No, you know it's not true now. What are you doing over there?
I'm watching a guy on a motorbike get beat up by a turkey.
That's funny.
Apparently this person called the Humane Society, and there's a gang of turkeys that beat up people at this certain intersection.
Oh,
he's probably just lucky it was one instead of multiples. We need to go check this out.
Where's it at? Get the address. We'll make a run for the turkeys. I mean, you done fell off your motorcycle, why not get hit by a turkey? I'm serious. Right? Alright guys, we'll get back with you. Alright guys, for some reason the GoPro, I can't say that word, the thing does not like me today. So I can't even see if I'm recording, but I think I am. I know if you say those words, it'll do all kinds of crazy stuff. But I don't have any hot pads to get my thing out of the oven with. Y'all want to see what it looks like? Let's go in the oven and see it. Alright. Hope that looks good. I'm hoping it'll get me some brownie points with the girl.
It won't.
Oh, damn it. Come on, hook up. Do your thing. But anyway, let's get it out. I don't know the best way to get it out though.
Can we do it?
I'm just going to bring the whole thing out. Ooh. I hope it's done. It's cooked for 35 minutes, I believe. Y'all see I used my hat as a pot holder? Alright. I do things like that. She's much weirder than I am. Let's see what it looks like. It's good and greasy. We want it to be a little bit greasy. Think we should look inside to see what it looks like. All right, let's look. Oh, it looks cooked. It looks cooked to me. Guys, I'm gonna get some major brownie points here. All right. All right. Look, I don't want to make a mess. I'll lose all my brownie points if I make a mess. For some reason, we only have one plate in the house today. Where's the plates at, girl?
I think we used them all. Do we have real? We got real plates.
Well, we'll just share a plate. How about that?
What makes you think I want to share with you?
Well, that's what you're getting tonight. Oh, look, we're losing all that good grease. Oh.
We can cook some cabbage in it later and have cooked cabbage with sausage grease.
All right. Do you think you need a knife for this particular meal? Maybe? Let's bring one, just in case. Come on, let's go over here. Alright, let's try it out. Let's go my computer over. Don't close it though. Any need it. Let's try it out.
What? Where's your? Oh, it's over there. I had meal water.
Yeah, these are a little bit dry. Leaves are a little bit dry. Maybe I should have like brushed some butter on them or something. These dark green leaves are a little bit tough, but I'm going to eat through them. You can have the tender leaves. Yeah, give it a try.
Maybe you should get some butter out.
Salt.
Put a little butter and salt on them. Because you know the cabbage needs salt.
All right, I'm back. Salt. Maybe a little bit messy. Yes, we eat liberal amounts of salt. But anyway, guys,
I get griped at regularly.
I know.
Not by him.
No. That's the meal of the day. Eat it if you want. Don't eat it if you do. Whatever. Just do whatever you want to do. But have a good day. Say bye, girl.
Bye, girl.